everyone, and welcome to lesson number 1 on the sound of English. In this video, we'll be practicing to identify and to pronounce the sound th. I know that it could be difficult to understand English words with sounds that are not present in Bahasa Indonesia, let alone to pronounce them correctly. As a result, we tend to confuse them with other words that sound similar but actually have different meanings. Or, when trying to pronounce them, we tend to replace them with other sounds. But just because a particular sound is not present in your language, it doesn't mean that you cannot learn to pronounce it. For example, many students struggle with the pronunciation of the sound th, as in the words think, through, three. The sound th is a fricative consonant. To pronounce this sound, you need to place the tip of your tongue between the two rows of your teeth. Let's try it together. Practice pronouncing the words with the sound. Through, through, three, and tree. Thin and thin. Time and time. Bath and bath. Thorn and torn. Now, let's try using those words in sentences.
Through this picture, we knew it was true. I think of the 3 trees a little too often. The tin can is very thin. It's time to add some thyme to the dish. A bat came in when I took a bath. The rose's leaf was torn by its thorn.
I hope you find this lesson useful. Don't forget to work on the exercise for this lesson. Stay safe, stay healthy, and see you in the next video.